Well, this is our third forum, and we really wanted an opportunity to bring together clients, potential clients, partners, to come and explore what we think are the latest ideas, most important pressing issues in business, and particularly from a sort of learning and development perspective.
You know, high quality people from high quality organisations having really interesting conversations in a very relaxed way.
Our job as CLOs is to bring new ideas and challenge the organisation. And this kind of event really gives us an opportunity to do that, to bring those new ideas, to bring different insights than ones we're used to, so we can take them back. And that, for us as individuals, adds enormous amounts of value, but it adds value for our company too.
What I've enjoyed about it in particular is it's a very informal and really informative environment with some very intelligent speakers. You know, gamification has been around for a while. We don't have it in our organisation, but it is something that we keep thinking, how can we use it best? So coming along to these kind of events helps me open up my eyes.
It's been very interesting to hear around the ways in which we can measure emotional intelligence and actually draw some useful and practical conclusions around how we create online experiences that are engaging.
The questions from the audience were both challenging and informative, and overall I think it was a great success.
It's real enough for you to become absorbed in the simulation and forget that you're operating a piece of software.
The learning industry in general moves very, very fast. The kind of technologies that we have available to us on a year-by-year basis change dramatically. And the idea that we can all get together and talk about the new developments and how they could be applied to different aspects of learning is a wonderful opportunity.
The new ideas and the new insights and the food for thought and a moment to reflect, actually.
People are not just living 100 years, they're also living 100 years at a time of massive technological disruption within the labour market.
So I expect companies to be investing a great deal more at different stages of people's lives. And of course, technology and simulation platforms are just a great way of really boosting learning.
The agility of the mind can be connected to the body-mind connection and to our physicality. I use movement as a business coach because I think the way we move affects the way we think.
And then what's been really interesting is the discussions around using technology not to replicate or replace learning as we know it now in business schools, but actually how it can further develop and lift to new heights.
Just to be able to get a really cutting edge update from different people on the state of the art in sort of machine-supported learning. It's been really, really fascinating.
The future belongs to ambiguity surfers and adaptive learners, which is a brilliant quote, I think. How future success will be less around logical thinking and more around how do you unlearn and quickly learn things.
Technology has changed the way that we learn and the way that we conduct business dramatically in the last 10 to 20 years.
Understanding how the brain learns just gives that added level of depth to the practical applications of learning. So people were really excited to hear about how we lay down pathways in the brain, how learning something like emotional intelligence could be similar to learning a new language, that it's very possible, that there's something very physical to it, so that it doesn't feel like it's about thoughts and feelings and it's intangible. It makes it easier for people to grasp.
A number of the things that we touched upon about both simulations, but also some of the other ideas around adaptive, personalised learning, I think resonated well with the audience.